Hi there, this is our Bridgeport mill, well-known machines, 3-phase, a turret with a variable speed head on it. It's got the coolant system. Only things I can really tell you about this, at some stage of its life it's had the feed gearbox removed from it, so all the feeds are manual. People quite often fit power feeds to them. It's missing a wee cover panel that covers your back coolant pump, but all that pump's there and running. Got a little bit of a gark here in the bed where someone's run a tool into it, and the only other thing I noticed on it is the coil return spring's not working, but apart from that it ticks over good. So it's got the manual lube system there. That bed moves nicely and very little play there for its age, and feels nice this way as well, and again very little play for its age. Goes up nice and down, that feels good. Obviously you got your all your swivels etc as these do. Alright, I'll try and run you through things. I'll switch the coolant pump on, so that's that coolant pump running there. I haven't put any fluid in it, but the pump itself's running. So I've got it in the high range. We'll just engage those feeds. Before I do that, I'll just turn it off. So that's going, your coil's going up and down nicely, and then if I do that, I can just do the fine feed there on that. So I'll take you through the power feeds. I'll engage so that's that feed going one way. I'll change that direction, I'll bring that down, and that's feeding the quill down now and tripping out. So that's those feeds. It's got your 3 speeds for that feed there. So I'm running in high range about 900. I'll slow that down, so that'll be about 450, and I'll slowly bring that up. Just bring it through the range really. That's fair humming up there. So that's its maximum speed there. Sort of medium speed there. I'll put that in the low range. That's the low range there. I'll change the switch over. So that, I'll slow it right down. Yeah, that's its very slow speed in the low. And I'll speed it up. That's its maximum speed in that low range. So there it is in the low range. You know, the head's done a bit of work, it's a bit noisy, but that's what it is. And I don't think there's much more to say. So it is a manual feed. It has got the turret variable speed head on it, and it's all ready to find a new home.